Hello guys, I show your flag image of European countries. You identify the flag and tell which country's flag image. Please subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Answer: Germany. Question number 2. Answer: Italy. Question number 3. Answer: France. Question number 4. Answer: United Kingdom. Question number 5. Answer: Netherlands. Question number 6. Answer: Greece. Question number 7. Answer: Switzerland. Question number 8. Answer: Poland. Question number 9. Answer: Belgium. Question number 10. Answer: Austria. Question number 11. Answer: Sweden. Question number 12. Answer: Denmark. Question number 13. Answer: Ukraine. Question number 14. Answer: Croatia. Question number 15. Answer: Malta. Question number 16. Answer: Norway. Question number 17. Answer: Czechia. Question number 18. Answer: Ireland. Question number 19. Answer: Hungary. Question number 20. Answer: Finland. Question number 21. Answer: Romania. Question number 22. Answer: Serbia. Question number 23. Answer: Cyprus. Question number 24. Answer: Iceland. Question number 25. Answer: Slovenia. To change your